Good morning, everyone. Today, we're taking a moment to celebrate and wish a happy birthday to Ma'am Maria G. and Antoinette Romero of Nursing Department. We hope this year brings you continued success, happiness, and plenty of reasons to smile. Again, happy birthday to you and enjoy your special day from your SDHI family.
Happy birthday, Maria.
Wala, medyo.
Wow!
Nakirinig yung chismisan.
Happy birthday!
Ito, ano marinig yung...
Nagalaw. Ayaw.
Secure na ba?
Ayaw. Gumagalaw. Uting-uti.
Buti yarn. Pansit pa more.
Saway naman talata topic yan. Ayan o. Buti na lang hindi pa tayo pinagagalaw. Okay na.